Hematology case study. You're a medical assistant, and you just got a small needle stick while cleaning up after a blood draw. You're wearing gloves, but you didn't report it right away because you don't think it broke the skin. What should you do next? And what are the risks if you ignore it? Here's the deal. Even if it seems minor, any needle stick should be reported immediately. You never really know what could have been on that needle, and viruses like Hep B, Hep C, or HIV can get into your body through the tiniest breaks in the skin. The longer you wait, the fewer options you have for early treatment or testing. Reporting it isn't about getting in trouble. It's about protecting you. So don't wait, speak up, and follow your facility's exposure protocol.